Hey there, welcome to my channel where we talk about various ways to make money from home. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make money with Lifepoints surveys as a beginner. Lifepoints is a survey website that rewards you for sharing your opinions on various topics. If you're looking for a way to make extra cash, this video is for you. But before we get started, make sure to click the link in the description to see the best way to make money from home. What is Lifepoints? Lifepoints is a survey website that pays you for sharing your opinions on various topics. You can sign up for free and start taking surveys right away. The website is easy to navigate and offers a variety of surveys to choose from. The best part is that you can take surveys from the comfort of your own home. How to sign up for Lifepoints? Signing up for Lifepoints is easy. All you need to do is go to their website and fill out the registration form. You will be asked to provide some basic information about yourself, such as your name and email address. Once you've completed the registration process, you can start taking surveys right away. How to make money with Lifepoints surveys? The main way to make money with Lifepoints is by taking surveys. Each survey pays a certain amount of points, and once you accumulate enough points, you can redeem them for cash or gift cards. The amount of money you can make with Lifepoints depends on how many surveys you take and how much time you dedicate to the website. If you want to maximize your earnings with Lifepoints surveys, here are some tips. Tip 1. Complete your profile. Make sure to complete your profile as accurately as possible. This will help you qualify for more surveys. Tip 2. Check your email regularly. Lifepoints will send you survey invitations via email. Make sure to check your email regularly so you don't miss any opportunities. Tip 3. Be consistent. To make the most money with Lifepoints, you need to be consistent. Set aside some time each day to take surveys and stick to it. Tip 4. Refer friends. Lifepoints is a referral program that rewards you for referring friends. If you know someone who would be interested in taking surveys, refer them to Lifepoints and earn extra cash. So, there you have it. That's how you can make money with Lifepoints surveys as a beginner. It's a simple and easy way to earn some extra cash from the comfort of your own home. But don't stop here. Click the link in the description to see the best way to make money from home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.